Sure you don't need my help?
I got it.
Oh, she got it. I record your voice and say it back.
I will put it up. Hi, buddy, my channel.
Oh, what you got there?
Birdie.
Birdie? Little
Birdie.
little life pets. Tweeting, talking birds.
Come.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm gonna sit down before you hurt yourself.
Look.
Hi everybody, welcome
Let's
back to
taste.
All Emma TV.
Let's open it.
Go ahead, Emma, open it. Oh, you could collect them all. They have a lot. Ouch! You just sting me?
I got it.
Let me know if you need help. You need help?
No, I got it. See, they got the old things.
Okay. Emma said she got it, guys.
I got the old thing. I got the old thing. They cover it over.
Sure you don't need help?
No, I got it. Not really. Oh, what are the instructions?
Go ahead. Oh, the instructions. She got out the instruction. Okay. What's next? I'm gonna read the book until you finish. La 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 da 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 da. Sure you don't need my help?
I
Got
got
it?
it.
Oh, she got it. Put away my book now. Oh, you won't be able to get that one. I'm gonna take it out. Open the cage. You got it? Don't break it now. Oh Lord, you won't break it. Okay, so guys, we unbox it. Emma, you gonna show the kids how it works?
See? I press this button.
It said, I record your voice and say it back.
I will put it up.
Oh, it just said what I said. Oh, Emma, it said, the more you pet it, the more I will sing. So pet it. Look how Emma petted it. She don't want me to play with it.
Who's the cute boy?
What?
A big birdie, the cute girl.
The birdie is a cute girl. How you know it's a girl?
Birdie, you're the good girl. Birdie, you're the good girl.
You gotta press the button if you want it to record.
Birthday, I the birthday.
See? Oh, it's singing. You want to put the birdie in the cage? It said keep birdie in the cage.
Hey, come here, Alpha.
Oh, birdie.
I want to eat. I want to eat.
You don't want to eat.
I really want to eat. Hey, I want to eat. Brother, 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 I want to eat.
I turned it off, so it's not going to repeat what you said.
Brother, I to eat. I to eat.
Show them how they. Show them. Said this is how you open it, guys.
This I will open it. See? This is so hard.
Because you all you have to do is just lift it up, Emma.
Okay.
Okay, open it and show them in the bird cage. You so rough. Oh my God. Come over. Rub it, Emma, so they could sing. So they said when you rub it, it's the more you rub it, the more it sings.
What is this? It say welcome my YouTube channel. Welcome my YouTube channel.
They can't hear it if you have it down there.
Subscribe my YouTube channel. Subscribe my YouTube channel.
So the more you rub it, the more it sings. Tell them what's that, Emma? Mwah.
That's an eater.
What's that?
Eat.
That's a bird food. That's supposed to be the bird food in the water. And then when you press this button, it repeats whatever you said. I love Emma. Subscribe to Emma YouTube channel. Good birdie. Good birdie.
Good birdie.
Good birdie. Good birdie. Emma just think. Okay, Emma, what you wanted to say? This is so cute. You like it, Emma?
Channel. Cooking channel. Cooking channel.
Cooking channel?
Eat it. Eat it. Oh, eat.
Not so rough. Do you eat like that, Emma? No, you don't.
Eat like that.
Oh, you so rough.
So delicious.
Look, hear what the birdie gonna say to Emma. Emma, not so rough, please. See? It said not so rough, Emma. Give the birdie a kiss. Oh no. Sing to the birdie. You gotta press the button and sing to it. Like this. Take your finger, press down on the button and sing to it. Sing.
No, not pressing.
Oh, you hear what it said? Sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
Tinkle, tinkle, little star.
Oh, it's singing just like you. You want to sing again?
When the stars had the telephone, had to
They can't hear if you laughing. Oh, the birdie said, "Ooh, Emma."
Tinkle, twinkle, little
Could Emma
star.
sing? No?
Tinkle, twinkle, little star.
Emma, they can't hear.
Tinkle, twinkle,
Oh my
little
God.
star.
This is such a cute little birdie. I wish it walks. That would have been cool.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. I can subscribe. Bye.
Okay, the birdie got something to say.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Google+. Bye. Have a nice day. Kisses.
That's so cute. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye.
Say bye-bye, birdie.